Hello and welcome guys. Let's understand question 6. Using elementary transformations, find the inverse of each of the matrices if it exists in exercises 1 to 17. The matrix is 2, 5, 1, 3. The answer is let A is equal to 2, 5, 1, 3. A is equal to IA. This implies 2, 5, 1, 3 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Use the elementary transformation, that is subtract row 2 from row 1. We'll get row 1 as 1, 2, 1, 3 is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 1 into A. This implies row 2 is equal to row 2 minus row 1. That is 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1, 2, 0, 1 is equal to 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 is 2 into A. Now multiply row 2 with 2 and subtract it from row 1. Thus R1 is equal to R1 minus 2R2, which is 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2 into A. Thus A inverse is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 1 into minus 1, 2.